6 ways to earn passive income with cryptocurrency. No mining required. Want to earn crypto while you sleep? In this video, I'm sharing 6 legit ways to generate passive income with cryptocurrency. No mining rigs, no technical headaches. Let's dive in. This video is part of a series exploring the various ways to earn passive income in the world of cryptocurrency. Each video in this series will take a deep dive into a specific method, from staking to airdrops and more. Be sure to check out the entire playlist to uncover all the opportunities to make your crypto work for you. Welcome back to Crypto Meme Bazaar. If you're tired of the hype and just want practical ways to grow your crypto portfolio, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore 6 tried-and-true methods to earn passive income with cryptocurrency. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, there's something here for everyone. And don't miss the bonus tip at the end, it's my personal favorite. 1. Staking. First on the list is staking. Think of staking as earning interest on your savings, but instead of a bank, you're locking up your crypto to support blockchain networks. Coins like Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and Ghost offer staking rewards that range from 4% to 18% annually. All you need is a wallet or an exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Just buy the coins, stake them, and watch your rewards grow. Pros: easy setup, steady returns. Cons: lockup periods. 2. Liquidity mining. Next, we have liquidity mining. Decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or PancakeSwap need liquidity to function. By providing your tokens to a liquidity pool, you earn a share of the transaction fees. This method can yield high returns, but there's a risk of impermanent loss. Make sure you understand the risks before diving in. Pros: high rewards. Cons: risk of impermanent loss. 3. Earning through play-to-earn games. Play-to-earn games are revolutionizing the gaming industry. Platforms like Axie Infinity, Splinterlands, and The Sandbox reward players with cryptocurrency for completing tasks, winning battles, or even creating in-game assets. These games can be fun and profitable, but be mindful of initial investments required to start. Pros: fun and engaging. Cons: entry costs can be high. 4. Earning interest via crypto lending. Crypto lending is another fantastic way to earn passive income. Platforms like BlockFi, Nexo, and Aave allow you to lend your crypto to other users in exchange for interest. For stablecoins like USDT or USDC, you can earn up to 12% APY, making it a relatively safe option compared to staking or liquidity mining. Pros: predictable returns. Cons: requires trusting the platform. 5. Airdrops and referral programs. Airdrops are like free money in the crypto world. Projects often distribute free tokens to wallet holders as a marketing strategy. All you have to do is hold a specific cryptocurrency or complete simple tasks. Similarly, referral programs can be lucrative. Platforms like Binance and Coinbase pay you when someone signs up using your referral link. Pros: free and easy. Cons: not consistent. 6. Bonus tip: yield farming. Finally, here's the bonus tip: yield farming. This advanced strategy involves moving your funds across various DeFi protocols to maximize returns. It's like liquidity mining, but more dynamic and potentially more profitable. While it's not for the faint-hearted, yield farming can yield massive rewards if done right. Pros: high potential returns. Cons: very risky and complex. Conclusion. From staking to play-to-earn games, crypto offers countless ways to grow your portfolio passively. The key is to understand the risks and choose a strategy that aligns with your goals. Which method are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more crypto insights and strategies. See you in the next video.